So now let's see how we can enable and disable the mask that we apply inside of Photopea. So to do that, I'm going to go around and add a raster mask right here, just like this. And let's just go around and simply take a brush tool right here and start painting. And this is the mask that I have applied right here. Let me just go around and select out black color right here, and erase this out as well. So this is a mask, as you can see right here. So now let's say I don't want to go around and delete out the mask, but I just want to disable it so that I can see the original picture. In that case, I can go around and right click, and you can see that disable raster mask is an option. And if I were to go around and do that, you can see that there's a cross that you see around the raster mask, but you see the original there right here. You can simply go around and right click right here and then enable out the raster mask again, and then you simply enable it. So instead of actually going around and working around with mask right here, you can see that you can disable and enable out the mask right here, and that is what you have. And that is how you can go around and work around with mask properties. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.